Hi, I'm Bahama Marv, and welcome to another episode of Caribbean Dish. Today, we'll be preparing some nice pan-seared chicken breast along with some homemade yellow rice. And today, I have a special guest, and her name is?
Shy. We'll be right back.
Welcome back. What we're going to do now is season up our breast. And we have some dry seasonings that we're going to use. We have some salt, paprika, some sage, crushed red pepper, and some black pepper. So we're going to season the breast liberally. With our seasonings. And you want to be kind of generous with it. What I'll do is I'll continue seasoning these breasts and we'll be right back. We've already seasoned our chicken breast and I've prepared a hot pan with olive oil. So what we're going to do is put our breast into the pan. And allow them to cook for approximately 10 minutes until they get a nice toast on them. And what we will do next is put them in the oven. We've already pan-seared our chicken breast and put a nice coat on them. What we will do now to seal in the juices, we will take a foil and cover the pan and put it in a preheated oven at 425 degrees for 20 minutes. There, our yellow rice. What I've already done is put a nice pot on with some olive oil. I have 2 teaspoons of olive oil going. And I will now add my onions. And I will put in my green peppers. And what I will add to that is some salt. You want to cook this, you don't want to cook it down too much. You want it to maintain its color in terms of the purple onions I'm using. I'm also going to use some sage. Sage is a very good spice for this particular rice. Add in some rosemary. And I'm using 2 cups of jasmine rice. Now what we're going to be using to make the yellow rice and get our color is turmeric. I'm using a teaspoon of turmeric. I've already added my water, and seeing that you use 2 cups of rice, you're going to put 3 cups of water and add turmeric. We're going to bring this to a boil. What we've done, we've allowed the rice to come to a boil and boil down past the rice. What we'll do now is take a cover and put it on for approximately 20 minutes. Thank you, my dear. We've just taken our chicken breast out of the oven. They've been in the oven for 25 minutes. What we'll do now is check to make sure that they're cooked through properly and that the juices run clear. Nice. Nice, juicy and soft. Oh yeah, it's juicy. You have it. Our yellow rice with a nice pan-seared chicken breast. If you like what you've seen here today, please like and subscribe to my channel. Until we meet again, my friends.
Bye.